Hey guys, my name is Aditya and you have tuned into channel ACube. In this video, we are going to unbox and review the EGate i9 Pro projector. This is a budget projector costing around Rs 8,000 on Amazon. I will leave a product link in the description below. Let's go ahead with the unboxing now. The box comes with the EGate branding and a cartoon schematic of the projector itself. On the side, you can find the label with the model number and the MRP as 9,900. It also has details about the contents of the box and the customer support details. The projector is sandwiched between two layers of foam and is well packaged. First up in the box, we have the manual which shows the basic information about the projector and the details about the ports and button functions on the remote. It also has information for simple troubleshooting and the warranty certificate. Let's keep this aside for now and look at the other contents of the box. Next up, we have the remote for the projector. This requires two AAA batteries which are not included in the box. Then we have an AV component cable which is a little outdated considering the fact that almost all devices now use HDMI. They have also included a 3.5mm to AV component jack. I really wonder what people use it for nowadays. Last but not the least, you have the power cord for the projector. Please note that an HDMI cable is not included with the projector. However, it does support HDMI input. Let's unwrap the projector now and look at its build quality. The projector is not very heavy and has a complete plastic build. Looking at the side, we are going to pause the video here and explain the ports on it. The first port on the left is marked as out 5 volts, indicating that it's just a 5 volt output to charge your smartphone or other streaming devices such as a Chromecast or an Amazon Fire Stick. A good idea to put it there so that you don't need to trail a separate power cable for these devices. The second USB port does not have any markings, but as per the manual, it's for USB or digital input. You can connect a USB flash drive with videos or photos on it and project them. Next, we have a single HDMI port. Once again, note that there is no HDMI cable included in the box. The projector is marked as a full HD 1080p modulated to 720p base. What this means is that the base resolution is always going to be 720p, but it supports 1080p videos. The next port is a 3.5mm jack marked as AV. This is for the 3.5mm to AV component converter. The next one is a 3.5mm audio out jack marked with a pair of headphones. This will turn out to be important as the built-in speaker on the projector is really bad. You can run an aux cable from this port to an external speaker or just plug in a pair of headphones if the projector is going to be close to you. The last port on the device is a VGA input. Once again, an outdated form of audiovisual input. Moving on to the front side, it's pretty blank with just a removable lens cover. The other side of the projector has just one port for the power cable. On the back side, we have a grill for the built-in speaker, which is good for nothing, and the IR blaster. The top of the device has the basic function keys. S to change the source, M to access the menu to configure the picture and sound, a navigator to go through the menu, a back button, and a power button. It also has a free service voucher sticker which I hope I won't need to use anytime soon. On the bottom of the device, we have a sticker with the product and customer support information. Above that, we can find a leveling screw to adjust the inclination of the projector. Also note that it has a screw hole for a projector mount if you plan to hang it off a wall. Removing the lens cover revealed that it was clean and there was no dust on it. The top of the device also has two rotary dials. There is no marking on the device, but it does say in the manual that the small one is for keystone correction and the large one is to adjust the focus. Time to get the device connected and see how it performs. I have inverted the projector and used the mounting screw to secure it to the beam of my poster bed. I'm using a motorized projection screen that will give me the best results. Find a link to the unboxing and review for it on the top of your screen or in the description below. I have connected a Chromecast device to the projector on its HDMI input, and since the projector is close to the bed, I have used a 3.5mm splitter to connect two earphones to the audio out from the projector. This gives the best kind of movie watching experience with perfect sound. The projector generates a lot of heat, which is exhausted on the side of the ports, so make sure that you're in an air-conditioned room, as this essentially works like an ambient heater. It's in complete darkness that you get the best results from this projector. It does a really good job at giving a bright image. However, if the video or movies you're watching has a lot of dark scenes, the projector struggles to get them right. I did not bother to test the inbuilt speaker on this one. However, if you're keen to know more about it and want me to, drop a comment and I will test it for you. Overall, I'm happy with the projector as it delivers what is expected of it. It's a budget projector for home use and it does the job perfectly. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Hit that subscribe button for more videos in the future. See you guys in the next one.